Guffey, Chief Guffey. Right by that water tower.
But up here, that bottom gonna be there.
I was gonna go over there. Yeah. He said
no, I just talked to Bush and a lot of people about that.
So you gotta pay $5 to get in.
I drive that for that way to get Hey, what's up, buddy?
Oh, that was Butch about Butch over there.
Butch and last year. You know where I always had that.
Yeah, just right there.
Kenny and them down there racing, they got a racing house. Right. The rest of them up there at the homecoming at Lane College. Yeah.
I'm telling you, I was gone. That's one clean Chevy going there, y'all.
I got a ball, I'll be in there. Take a guess.
Oh, you saying he gonna drive fast?
Big Nate got him out here this evening, y'all. Ooh, that's a nice looking Camaro sitting right there. Nice, nice. Remember the time I had one of those? Red. Wasn't anybody as clean as that. Now I'm going to show you just plain and sexy. This is gorgeous. Ain't all that chrome on it. Nothing just showing a whole lot of excitement, but just plain and sexy. Get in it, cruise, both of them. Just cruise around, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. I love them. I love them. I'm glad I'm not the judge. That is one gorgeous truck.
Yeah. He all the time. You know how we do it. Yeah. Man, I take him home, man. I can make the bed. Man, I can do it. Whatever. Back home. Chop that big, man. You get a pain. Like this. You're worried about one of these. Yeah. Right here. See them, man. Okay, we did.
Yes, sir. They got some clean cars out here today. Got a lot of Camaros, quite a few of them. But look at the big Chevys over here on the side. Got a couple of big Chevys out here representing.
My grandson told me something the other day, man. I just stopped it.
Well, y'all look at here. Look at the big Pontiac. Now, I'm gonna have to get a close-up on the big Pontiac. The big Pontiac is clean. Got a rag top on him. The wheels blackened out. Big Pontiac is clean. It's representing the Pontiac class real well. Real well. Somebody got what they're working on here. Ready to put a little paint on it. Are you can raise the hood?
The 360 stroke out to 408. Pretty good, especially got live, real strong bottom end. I need some good heads so I can get some more top end out of it. That'll give me some good aluminum heads when I get some money. See that? Cause I did all that. Run the aluminum line, all that from the trunk.
What I always wanted
Look at the back tail light, probably 71.
71?
Look at the back tail light.
Okay, I went for
It's a 70 or 71.
Okay.
Yeah, you get it. Yeah. What up, dude?
What's up, big dog? What's going on with you? That's all that truck too, man.
Hey, he's a shop of Junior, though. I bet.
You don't want them, huh?
I'm telling you, this summer is clean from the inside to the out. Look at y'all. Yeah, that joker there is clean. All right, all you Buick fans, look at there. Look at this Buick. Camaro coming. Yes, sir. We got four-wheelers, race cars, mobile homes, you know it. Everything out here at Big Nate's. Look at you. Got mobile homes. They cooking out. Good barbecue. Let's see if I can get up on this barbecue over here. Good barbecue up under the tree. Cooking out and everything. All at Big Nate's 3rd annual car show. Look like he had a nice crowd here today, y'all. For as you can see, nothing but cars and people enjoying themselves, having a good time. No rowdy about it, just love all in there.
Black Day race.
In the house.
Glad you made it, man.
Man, it took a minute to get out of that chair, but I got up out that chair and hopped on.
Yeah, yes, I got 2 days ago.
You good? You good? Oh, no. '67 Chevelle, clean as a mother. Look at y'all. This is how they do it out at Big Nate's. Everybody bring out the cleanest thing you got and just let everybody walk around and be mesmerized. Look at them. They study walking up just just to see the Chevelle. You got them mesmerized. That thing, know it's clean. All it takes is a little time, a lot of patience, and some money. Everybody gotta have some money. And you can look like this. Let's get you a close up. 67 Chevelle. Man, what a sight. You thought we had old? We got something older than that. Hey, what year is that Dodge?
46.
Who?
46.
1946 Dodge. Clean, oh, good Lord, have mercy. I got to steal something from somebody. Good Lord, to the have mercy. It is so clean. Yeah, I done looked at a lot of them.
Yeah.
Only one.
Yeah.
This Dodge has got it all, y'all. This Dodge has got it all. You get down with it, you got to come on with it. There ain't nothing nice. And I'm gonna see it again. Y'all see them two big folds up on it, don't you? Yeah. Ain't like you don't know.
You buy everything out here? Shit, I got enough. We just put me in layaway. Oh, what's going on, man? Yeah, I know he had two. Yeah, help me.
All right, y'all, Sherman done did it again. Boy, looking good. Looking real good.
Am I lying to you? No.
Oh no!
I'm gonna watch.
I'm gonna ease this stuff around. Yes, sir, it is. I don't know how long he been working on it, but he got it looking good.
I'm gonna be around here somewhere high.
Yes, sir. You're doing good things. I like that.
Yeah, I'm working with it.
That's tight.
Like I told you, boy, how that thing go, boy. Big ball. That's
1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1,
No air.
Yeah, it is. And we try to keep it where it looks like it's. We ain't trying to step outside the box. We ain't trying to put no big old wheels on that.
Drag Mackie. What's happening, baby?
All right, now.
You looking good, Drag.
That's right here. I know what you want. How about that? How about that? I got this one right here, but I gotta have that. Yeah, I gotta have that. No, I did not.
Good shot on.
Yeah, pretty good. What's that, 79 or 80?
79. 79 classic.
79 classic. Antique, y'all. And he didn't cut it up with no race car.
No.
I'll leave the door open. Yeah. Now, when you see Eddie, tell Eddie to look on his phone and pull up black thing for you.
See who?
Eddie.
Eddie who? Talking about, I'm trying to see. Eddie.
I'll show it to you. And tell him to pull up black thing for you. I had this on the internet by Monday evening, man.
You say Eddie?
Yeah. I'm gonna put him in there. I'm gonna get you.
Yeah, Larry Clay.
Hey, Larry, stop! Get out and open the door! Get out and open the door!
Everybody got their good thing.
What's your boss name?
My bad. They coming.
Spinner still spinning. All right, man, you clean? Hey, man, close the hood down for me.
Ooh, my bad. I keep walking into you. Yeah. I'm checking it out. Oh, I didn't work with him. He told me he need to drop down on top of him. Yeah.